Hi, Ate Badeth. Finally, the box is here. I'm so excited. But before anything else, of course, I want to thank you for all the stuffs you sent me, especially to Angela, Kiara, and Gabo. I know that they helped a lot in packing up this box. So, thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to open this box now. OMG. This box is so big. We have Cheetos, and also cookies. We have also, wow, chips toy, and OMG, all of these are food. What is this? Buggles, nacho cheese flavor, and choco cookies, and these are all foods. Wow, it's super yayamanin popcorn, artisan popcorn. The Daily Crave veggie sticks. This is so socially, na? Veggie sticks. And again, veggie straws. All of these are super socially, na? What's this? Oh! Okay, it's okay. I'm going to eat this now. Milk chocolate. Chocolate! I'm going to eat this later. Milk chocolate. OMG, I can already see the mock paper bags. Oh, am I going to sell this back? Because I already have paper bags here. And also Victoria's Secret paper bags. I could start selling them now. MAC and Victoria's Secret. And also pink paper bag. I could start my own store now so that I could sell this. Next. Oh, this is a sexy one. How am I going to wear this? Oh, this is so hot. I'm going to look super hot with this dress. How about this? Super sexy short. Okay. I'm going to wear this also. And Pringles, of course. This is my favorite. What else? I don't know what to pick first. This is lace. Don't think that I'm crazy because I'm filming this video alone in this house. OMG, my Nike shoes! It looks so beautiful. It's so pretty. Can I fit this now? I'm going to fit this. I hope that my cell phone would have a lot of memory so that I could take longer videos. It fits! It fits to me. Wow! It is exact on my feet. It fits on me. Can you see? So nice. What else? I can find it my Kate Spade. Lace again. This is so nice. Wow, sexy dress. This is a sexy dress. to use that also. Of course, my MK sandals that I'm going to use when it floods here. I'm going to wear MK sandals. Wow, I have a Gop slippers. Can you see? Gop slippers. Also, is this mine? This looks big. Is this mine? Is this mine? This looks so big. What else? Wow, sexy. Pink Victoria's Secret. I will look super sexy. What's this? Coach dust bag. Okay. And another one. Crispy coconut cookie teas. This looks super expensive and social. What's this? A tumbler. Oh, pink Victoria's Secret tumbler. I'm going to use this whenever I jog in the morning. This is so pretty. What else? What's this? What's this? So I'm going to open this. Wow. This is so pretty. I'm going to use this. Can I use this as a cell phone case? This is so pretty. Oh! The bed is already full of stuff, but I still can't find my Kate Spade. Oh, the sports bra. I love it. I'm going to fit that later. What's this? A dress? What's this? What's this? A blouse. Okay. This looks so pretty. Okay. How about this? Michelle Germain Paris. Your free gift. These are perfumes. Are these perfumes? I'm going to open it later because I'm still looking for my Kate Spade bag. Where's my Kate Spade bag? Nike. Okay, I love this pink. My favorite color is pink. And slippers again. Slippers again. What's inside this plastic? What's inside this plastic? I can't open it. I can't open it. Wow! A lot of perfumes and makeups! Panty liner. I'm going to use this. I also have BB cream. BB cream. And a lot of makeups. Wow! We have CC cream also. CC cream color correction cream. And cleanser. Daily foaming cleanser and a lot of makeups. A lot of makeups. I'm going to use this. I also have perfume from Ralph Lauren. My perfume. I'm going to use all these makeups. Victoria's Secret. Wow, Mango Temptation lotion. I love lotions. Wow, I have lots of earrings too. I have lots of earrings too. What's this? Okay, I'm just gonna try all this later. Oh! I have too many earrings. $1 only. $1 only for all these earrings. I'm going to use this later. Later. What's this? Oh, my makeup brushes. My makeup brushes. to use all of this later. I'm going to try this. And I also have Wet n Wild eyebrows. Lip liner. Wet n Wild lip liner. I have lots of brushes. Makeup brushes. I'm going to use this later. What else? What else? This is soap. Okay, later on. Okay, where is my Kate Spade? I still can't find my Kate Spade. What's this? Spaghetti also. Spaghetti also. What's this? Oh, this is very sexy blouse. It is see-through at the back side. I'm going to wear that. Wow, this is so yayamanin.